Okay, there is a quick through. Here, there's a small quote I would like to start the session. Your best quote to reflect your approach. It's a one small step for the man, one giant leap for the mankind. That is given by Neil Armstrong. The small step what we are going to make today is going to create a great difference for the mankind itself. Okay, like quickly I'll run through like, the session objective is we are going to find out who is ready to find the leader in them and what are the traits we require as an effective leader and challenges what we face. And you can plan to develop yourself with your own potentiality and be the best version of yourself. So I'm going to give you one small task to start with the icebreaker. Very simple. I don't know all participant names, but still, you're not going to talk anything. I'm going to give you one minute task only. You know how to use a chat box, right? In a chat box, you type your name with the adjective. I'll give you a simple example. Don't give your name literally because we are going to find the leader in you. What caption? Like nickname people used to have, no? Like that, you have to give a nickname for you. For example, if the name called Anusha, we can say awesome Anusha. So like that, we can make an adjective for your name with the starting letter. Quickly, I want to see the participant chat, what adjective you are going to give your name. Quick, I'm just waiting. Give your yeah. Yes, cool. Okay. Venkat Victory, Smiling Chandru, Passionate Thomas. Actually, versatile Thomas. The thing is like Thomas, you could write for T, the starting of your name, T. You can change your adjective. Success, okay. Wow, rocking Rom. What romantic Raja O is missing? The Hari is doing, I guess. Leader Kalyan. Kalyan can use adjective for K. Use K. Romantic Raja have changed now. Thinking Thomas. Cool. Sensible Shini. Oh, naughty Nandakumar. Hey, Jayakumar, Jay is a name or Jayakumar itself I can take as adjective. How? Robust Ranganathan. Sweet sir. Writer. I guess Jay can give something different, possible.
He is not audible.
Hello. Yes, people. I guess all have, most of the people have entered their adjectives. Super Sridhar. What is notable Narasimha Rao? Wow. Lovely Naveen. Naveen, you can select for N. Try for N letter. Possibility Prakash. Kamraj. Kamraj, you can select for K. Simple.
They are unmuted. They are unmuted. They are muted. That's why they cannot hear your voice.
Okay. Well, then I have to type only. I'll do that. Wait.
Hello, we can hear your voice. There's no issue.
We can hear, no issue.
They can hear you. They can hear you.
Okay, okay.
Should
Because,
not be issue.
yeah, fine.
Meaning they cannot talk.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, so many people are okay. Straightforward. Street Shivaraman, nice. Candy Kamaraj, cool. All can listen. They would not respond. Cool. Okay. Very good. Vinay. Okay. What is it? Sri Shai alone has a name only there. Share. Okay. Okay. Friends, people are more active, giving a name. Okay. Wonderful. And still people are joining also. More are joining. Okay. That's fine. Friends, happy to see all your names. People normally have a nickname and friends will create. Today you are creating a good name for yourself. It's a great moment. And let us start the today's journey. Hope my screen is visible to everybody. One person can answer. Maybe one person can unmute and answer. I guess,
Yes.
sir?
Yeah, we are
Yeah.
visible. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. The question is, are you ready to fight the leader in you? So already you started that. The instruction once given, you started acting to that. Wow, it's great. It shows that you are having a commitment to attend the session, and you are on the way. You have even we are at home or in the lockdown period. More people are working from home and busy. That too, you want to enrich your knowledge. That's the reason you are attending the session. So the question is, are you prepared to challenge yourself? Are you ready to lead people? Are you ready to manage yourself? I'm just giving a through of this question. So keep an idea. And when go back to your childhood days, I'm asking you this question. Do you wait one sick? Yeah. Do you wait for others' instruction to study? If it is yes, okay. Do you wake up on your own every morning? No. Then do you tie your shoelace on your own? No. If you have no in these two, then you are yet to be a leader. If you have a yes, then you are already a leader. Okay. So, but still, but this yes, what I'm talking about is don't wait for others' instruction to study. You have to study by yourself. If it is yes, you are already a leader, but you're expecting somebody to give you an instruction to make you to learn, then you are yet to be a leader. Okay. Participants, please mute yourself. Then only you can listen fully. Otherwise, the external disturbances make the... I'm able to hear you what you guys are talking. Please. You know, leaders are all enthusiasm have come up. You have a doubt? People, we have a question answer session. At that time, you can discuss. At the end, we can have a discussion. Whatever be the thing, you please note down. Later, we will have a question answer session.
I think, excuse me, madam, this is new joinees you have joined. I think you need to unmute and mute all once again.
Okay. Oh, fine, fine. Let me do that. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we are going to get the answer for, are you going to be a leader? So we could say the leaders are born leaders or made leaders. So that's a great question. Normally this thing we used to ask, the teachers are born or made. Okay, like that here leaders also are born and some leaders are made here. Okay, in that, we could, first of all, we should understand like who is, here we would like to know
Excuse me, slides are not visible. You have to check your screen and change the screen to slides, madam.
one sec.
Please click for screen share option. Yeah, thank you.
It's okay, madam. Please go ahead.
Okay, I guess the screen is visible now. Okay, are you going to be a leader? That's a question we are going to answer. And once again, participants, most of the people are in the video mode. Please switch up. I cannot unmute all this stuff. You can switch off your video. It is not required at present. That's why you couldn't see my screen properly. The network is unstable. Later, you can show your faces to the others. Okay, thanks. Okay. Right. Very simple question. Anybody want to find out the leader in us? The first thing, either we are passionate about things. What is the will? What you have, and what you are passionate. The interest versus a passion. So what you have, that we have to think of it. And then what skill we are carrying. Have a hard skill and the soft skill, it plays a role. Hard skill, very well, which is acquired from the university. And also it is visible what you are getting as a degree, that and all comes under your hard skills. And the soft skill is something which is not obtained as a degree, but we can felt. It's like a communication skill, your leadership skill, and how you connect with people, decision making, problem solving skills, that and all goes. Okay, and the bill is something what the industry is ready to pay for you. Okay, so the leader here, I'm not talking about only the organizational leader. The leadership plays a role in participants, please mute yourself. I'm getting a lot of disturbances while talking. Even I need to address in the beginning, in a program, please be on time. You're attending a leadership program, and every time I'm clicking admit screen and my screen is not visible. Okay, right. So what is the bill the industry is ready to pay? And what we are talking about is, if we want to be a leader, first we should find ourselves what are all the skills we have and how we can apply and be helpful at home as well as for the office as well as for the society. Okay, so what attitude we want to bring in? So learning as well as a winning attitude we want to bring in. Friends, my internet connection become unstable because most of the participants are in the video mode. Please switch off your video mode. My request.
எங்க இருக்குன்னு சொன்ன நீ சாட் எங்க இருக்குன்னு சொன்ன சாட்
Yes, people, please unmute yourself for audio as well as the video for some time. Then only you can get cool flavor of the session, please. And people are then and there, they are coming and asking me the permission to admit. I got the time management plays a crucial role here. Fine. Okay. Something we want to have a learning attitude in the sense, which you are learning every day, which we want to pay attention. And also from the can't do it attitude, we want to have can do it attitude that plays as a winning attitude. Okay. And the thing is, I would like to give this input. Swami Vivekananda gave a beautiful quote. Take up an idea, make that idea your life, think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, tissues, cells be fully saturated of that idea. This leads to a massive success. This is really a wonderful quote. First of all, if we want to find the leader in ourselves, we should have some mission or vision like Okay. So the thing is, this quote plays a crucial role. You should have a vision of what you are going to achieve in your life. And this idea, you have to take it into your brain, and it has to think fully. You have to dream about that and make your dream to come. For that initiative,
can you mute everyone totally?
Sir, I have muted already. Again and again, somebody is unmuting and talking.
Hello?
Sir, I have muted all. They are unmuting themselves.
Oh.
And really,
See, the continuity is getting lost.
wait, yes, we are
Even
using
can you
it.
move?
Okay, it's done.
Sir, you can see the name of a person who is talking. Please call his name and then ask him to mute.
Sir, I'm not viewing that. I'm viewing my slide and talking, sir. That's why every time if I'm going my slide sharing, it get disturbed.
Okay, you can go ahead, madam.
Sir, you may be some person like you can be a co-host we can create, and you can do that option. I'll make you as a co-host if possible. 1 second, sir. Otherwise, no. Even admitting also I'm doing at that time, my screen is not visible.
SpectraMed Radiology, please mute your phone.
But I couldn't make you as a host. If I make you as a host, I'm lasting my host this thing. Fine, sir. If possible, you can view them like only you alone unmute and talk. Others, please, participant. We are all from very great background, and we are all working people. We are serving, and we know very well what is the discipline we can follow in the forum. Even though we are physically not present in the virtual forum, also we can maintain our self-discipline. Please. Hope you will understand. Okay. Yeah, let me continue with that. The people who are all sincerely listening, please accept my apologies. I would like to continue with that. Self-development. It's basically everyone who has a dream want to develop themselves and allocate a time for that. We have to shape ourselves what we really want to do. First, we should know what we really want, and then what changes we want to make and shape our needs accordingly. I'll discuss one by one very quickly. Here, if we want to develop ourselves, first we want to have a desire. What is the area I want to develop myself? It is starting from how the time you're getting up, how you start your day, how you connected with people at home, and how you work in your office, and then how you end up the day. It's like that. I'll give you one simple exercise you can follow from tonight. Well, before go to bed, even most of the coaches might have given this, but I would like to add upon. One thing you ask your mind, what did I improve today? You ask yourself. If you are getting an answer, cool. Yes, I have did something today. If you're not getting answer, no worries. Leave this talk to the subconscious mind. The subconscious will start processing this question. Maybe in due course, you may get answer. Your mind start finding what to improve in you. And the next day morning while you get up, first thing when you get up, just smile. That is a great thing. The sense of relief, the stress relief, you will be getting it. And after that, ask yourself, what is that you are going to improve today? If you are getting answer, cool. If you're not getting answer also, no problem. You proceed. And automatically your subconscious mind works for 24/7. It start work for you. And one day or other day, you started improving in one area. One by one, step by step. You can see your growth in your own eyes. And also developing your social value, your behavior, and how to live. And the personality is not something related to your physical appearance. The personality is something related to the attitude, your leadership and communications, your spirituality, everything is connected with your personality. And the ego I'll discuss later, but I would like to say this now at present. Ego is something edging God out, or everything goes out. And you should have a learning attitude. And there are so much things is there to discuss. I would like to say one story to you. This story is related to the person really anybody want to carry in a life, it will be giving the best results. And this is the story about the school kid. The child is doing first standard. The child has a school day function. At that time, it's attending a singing competition. And this child doesn't have a father. He has only mother. The child name is Kannan. Okay, we are just giving a character name Kannan. He is singing a song, Bharatiyar song, Odi Vilayadu Papa. Okay, he's preparing very nicely. The mom is only coaching him. Normally, our kids and all, when there is if they are attending any, they are doing any participation in the program only, they will call us for the school day. Or they are getting the prize, or otherwise they will also skip and they will sit at home. The child, because he is participating, he gone to school along with his mother, and both are sitting like, they're enjoying, other participants are singing and all. This guy's turn has come, it's a competition actually. So this guy started singing. After 2 lines of Odi Vilayadu Papa, he couldn't continue because seeing the mass, he couldn't talk properly, he got shivering and he forgot the other lines. He skipped and he came down and he was a bit worried because he didn't sing well. Then the mom couldn't see the son face and he's disturbed. But still the mom knows that the son won't get the prize. And he just said that, hi Kanna, can we go home now? Because you want to have milk or something like that, the lady is telling. Then Kannan said, Mom, please wait, let them announce the result. Then again the mom said, Mom knows very well the guy won't get the prize. But still, the child, he should not feel. That's why, like, Kanna, I know very well that you didn't sing well, no. Then how come you will get the prize? Shall we go home? Here is the thing, normally any story, the story writer want to give the touch of what he feels to the character. Through the character of Kannan, the voice of Kannan, the director is talking there. Ma, I know very well, I won't get the prize because I didn't sing well. But you know one thing, my friends will get the prize. The person who is getting the prize at the end, nobody is there to clap. let us sit and clap, then go home. What a great attitude the child carries. That's really, I admired this story actually. We should have a quality of appreciating people. Normally, we should think of ourselves. Our kids may be doing 5th standard, 7th standard, or maybe higher classes and all. If they are bringing their progress report, you'll see all the grades. Maybe all A grades, only one B grade. You see, why B like that only we will start. We never think about what about the all other A grades. Yeah, we should hereafter. See, then only the child will feel something uneasy. I have put entire effort for getting A in all grades. For only one B alone, my dad is pointing out why. Should think. Okay, so person can, even the initiative, any participation itself is a great thing. It is not, participation is not only getting the prize. It is on how we are taking the things, it matters, and how we are treating your opponent also matters. And we should have a heart of appreciating people. That is very important. That is how we can develop ourselves. Once, for example, suppose you are asking someone is coming and saying like, hi, you look very beautiful today. Then you may have immediately a thought. If you are not having a quality of appreciating someone, you have a thought, oh, this guy wants something from me. That's why he is pleasing, like he is using a pleasing word. But you have a habit of appreciating someone. You definitely say that, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I feel good. Like that you will say. That makes sense. Okay. So that's a way. First thing, anybody, even I'm talking now, you might have attended many seminars, but the change won't come from outside. The change, we should feel that I want to change, then only the change will happen. Okay. So if you want to be a leader, want to be effective, communicator first. And also what to communicate, where and all we are communicating. It's not just what you say, but how you say it, it matters a lot. Okay. So at home, we are communicating, at a school, at a college, at public places, we are communicating. What words we are using, it really matters a lot. And how we are using. Okay. And what kind of words we are using. And I'll give one simple, funny example what is happening. Being I'm from the IT background, I would like to say what's happening really in the IT industry. Okay, just an example sake, I have prepared this. The customer is coming and explaining he needs something because everybody is using a smartphone, correct? So the customer is telling, I need this coding. Okay, yeah, it is, the phones are working through the software. Software, we have a program. So what program we want to write, we have to give the instruction to the customer. Like customer will give the instruction, we have to give the instruction in turn to the programmer, what kind of a coding he want to do. Okay, the customer, he is asking the T should be tied with a swing. Okay, but how the project leader understood it, you can see the picture. He is tying at both the branches. Okay, because he understood in a different way. At the analyst, how he designed it, he cut the tree in the middle and put the swing inside. And how the programmer wrote it, he tied entirely tied and totally he put the swing the bottom. It's no way it is going to be used. And what the business consultant, how he described it, he has, I'm going to provide you a cushion, more effect, like that the consultant is describing it. And how the project was documented, there is no symptom of, yes, a tree itself. Okay. And how the operation installed, only the rope is given to the customer. He has to hang himself because he has given a project. Okay. And finally, how the customer is built. So huge billing is happening. And how it was supported, nothing happening. You have cut the tree entirely. Okay. And finally, what the customer really needed, he need this only, the circle. But what happened initially, if you could have read properly, you could see the customer explained it, I have written. The customer explained in this way, the communication failed from the customer, and obviously what the customer really wanted, he didn't get it. He got the result of this. Okay, that's a way. Sometimes if you fail in communication, that will be the result. Srivas sir, we can continue the session because more participants are coming now only. We can continue for another 15 minutes because you said 5 to 5:40.
No, you continue, please.
Okay, sir.
Continue.
Convert to an unlimited session.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah. Us communicating, okay, cool. But I'll give you one simple definition for communication. People used to say it is between the sender and the receiver and all. I'll give you one simple thought. The communication is a right word to the right person in a right place at a right time. In Tamil, if you say Saryana Varthe, Saryana Alkita, Saryana Nerthala, Saryana Edathula Pesu. Then only you'll get the result. Sometimes, no, if you ask somebody like, don't go and say to this person, then you will go, okay, you'll go and say to the person, don't say to anyone. Then finally, who said the message? He got the information. I don't said this. How you got this message? Like that, people will tell. Okay, that will be jokes apart. The main thing, if you really want to be excel in your communication, want to be a good listener also. Listening, it has many barriers also. Now also, no, in the doing the program, we are getting more outside noises. Now only it's clear. Okay, so why I'm talking in leadership listening? Because if we want to be a good communicator, we want to be a good listener, then only we can understand what the other person is talking. If once we understand what others is talking or what they are explaining, describing about the problem, then only we can able to provide the solution. Okay, so listening, the art of listening is, first of all, what's the purpose he's talking? And it is not by the words what you listen. You should understand the feeling beyond the words and want to be more active. And what you have listened, you should confirm listening. Then and there I'm asking, no, can I continue like that? And Steve is also responding to me. That is active listening is happening. And also in between, if somebody is, if you are interrupting in between, that is also a problem in listening. You can say, let them allow to complete, then we can shoot our version. And also don't intervene. And also some people while talking itself, when starting the word itself, you are trying to say this one only, no, like that they'll say. It is not like that. Allow them to talk. But they are talking too much like a verbose, then we can cut short in between. That's cool. And also the body language, it's very important. In communication, we have two flavors. Verbal as well as a non-verbal communication. Verbal in the sense, you're speaking, you're writing a mail, you're sending SMS, you're attending a meeting, everything. But here, you're not speaking, but your body is speaking on behalf of your eyes are speaking, your hands are speaking, your entire body movement is speaking. So what body language you are carrying in? It's, some people may be a lousy manager and some people know it's like there is no erect walk. They're not brisk while they're, even while they're talking, the voice may not be bold. It won't be nice actually. And also, we have talked once in our non-verbal communication, the sense the voice may be bold, but the body language, it's very poor. That should not be there. And gestures, what you carry. We can have our own gestures and styles while we are talking. In cricket, 4, 6er and all, the umpire shows the gesture. Like that, we should have some gestures also. And also, I told you, like non-verbal communication, even now how we are blinking while talking also matters a lot. Whether we have an eye contact with people. If you have an eye contact with people, we can build a trust among people. And also the communication, there are 3 styles: assertive, passive, and aggressive communication. I won't talk detail about this, but I'll give you a light on that. Aggressive is, I want to have my word is the last word. That kind of attitude is a aggressive communication. And passive is, whatever you are saying, I'm ready to agree with you. And I'm not, actually the people, I don't have any opinion. That is like a doormat character. Okay. Doormat is a whoever step in, it will bear it. And assertive is, the communication is a positive communication. I understand you too have the same rights as I have. Let us win together. That winning attitude is assertive communication. That only require at home, workplace, anywhere. So people be serious from now onwards. Have an assertive communication. If you want to have your word is the last word, then we will lose our friends. Okay. And also the communication should be empathetic. People may talk about sympathy or not. You poem like that. The sympathy is something, I can understand what you feel. That is your problem. Okay, I can understand. But empathy is, I feel how you feel. Put yourself in their shoes. Okay, if somebody is coming and talking, this is the problem. Hey, that's your problem. I don't bother about, don't say that. Have an empathy. But empathy also, we should have an emotional intelligence to listen to. In office and all, people know, if you understand that whatever you are listening, like they will cheat also. We should more vigilant to understand who is cheating and who is really telling and all. We should have a knowledge on that. That's why we need an intelligence at that time. Okay. So even we should have an empathy, but we should also have an emotional. And then again, the body language as well as the dressing sense. If you want to be empathetic, people will remember actually. They remember the cloth if you dress badly, but if you dress well, they remember the person. So how you dress up also, the etiquette is something, the manners that matters. How you dress up also, it matters. Okay, as a leader, how your dressing senses, and then your interpersonal skill. So what you carry in a workplace, that is also matters. We are going to see one video now. be like that. Even we have up to A to Z, isn't it? So we should have a plan. If you want to be a leader, you should have a follower, obviously. And also for a leader, you should build a trust among people. That is the first quality we should carry. And as well as show the genuine interest with people. That's very important. It's not like that simply, it's Naam ke vaas we should not be a leader actually. Really, we should have an empathy, should understand people and have a service mind. Then only we can be a good leader. Even if we are helping in the family by contributing, even we are contributing monetary benefit, that is different. We are contributing our love, our dedication. That and all also shows our genuine interest towards a family. And also throw away the ego. That's very important. I told you already, the edging God out, or everything goes out is an ego. And create your own style of your personality. Either you can, I'm not asking you to follow. These are the people we know already. Jhansi Rani, Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekananda, Hitler, APJ Abdul Kalam, everybody we know as a leaders. We also want to have, because I'm putting the known people here. In future, our generation is putting our photo on learning. That is our achievement. And accept the criticism. That is very important. If you feel like a leader in you, accept the criticism, what the other people are saying. You should accept positive or negative feedback. Negative feedback, please try to accept it, because it will help you for our growth every day. If somebody is giving, they are really have a love on us. That's the reason they are criticizing us. Like that, if you started thinking, then obviously we don't worry about it. We are not thinking about the person who, I'm not bothered like that. If you are not listening to the feedback, then obviously we may end up somewhere. And also be creative. And make yourself. Is my voice is audible? Because I'm getting it's not audible.
Now it's audible.
Okay. Now earlier I got a chat box message that not audible.
Your voice is patchy. It is not fluent. It comes in patches.
You go back to 2 slides.
Okay. This one, own style.
Yeah.
We can have our own style of personality. That is because already who are the legends I have put. I'm not saying Hitler is a legend, but still he has a conviction of doing something. Okay, that is different.
Yes.
But
We can understand what of like.
Okay, yeah, fine. Now it is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. That's why I said at the end, I'm putting somebody's photograph. Our future generation can use our photograph to create a slide. So that's an achievement as a leader. And then obviously we have to accept the criticism. The feedback is really important for our growth. And the thing is, be creative. As a leader, if we are more creative, that could be interesting for the people also work along with us. And also we want to be an approachable person. If somebody is coming and asking something, we are not showing, that's the reason I have already said about genuine interest. We should be approachable also. If you are not talking nicely or you're not ready to listen, our body language shows a negative impact, people won't approach us. And also, you should have a confidence that why people will listen to me like that, don't have a feel. Have a confidence in you and then proceed. And also, whoever performs, even at home or at office, don't forget to acknowledge them. Appreciate each and everything. That would be great. But don't expect the appreciation also. Whatever you want to get it, give it. Then you will get it definitely. And then the competence is, because we want to find a leader in us. First, we want to understand that what is the real potentiality we have in us. What are the hidden potentiality? That we should understand how we are competing with others. If we are competent with others, only people will accept as a leader. Like every day we can upgrade ourselves by all means. And the styles and all I'm not going to deal with, because it totally comes under the leadership theory. Anyway, we know like autocratic, democratic, supporting, delegating leaders and all there, because the time is not enough to talk about that. And main thing, in a workplace, we have to coordinate as a team, and we have to focus on the performance. What is our goal? Based on that one only we can start work on it. And finally, to build a team, this basically, if we really want to be a part of the team, first of all, we have to do something worth. And as well as we can enjoy doing things and take a control over what we are doing and the contribution, how we are using, and have a quality of learning attitude, learning new skills every day, and recognize. And the leadership is very simple. Leaders are, first thing itself I have started, leaders are not born or made like that there is a debate, but still it's a function of knowing ourselves only. It is very important. There is a hidden potentiality in everybody. We should try to find out the leader in us. Then only first we should know how to lead us, how to have a positive mind attitude. We are leading our body, we are leading our mind. That and all comes together. So you want to do something you never had, do something you have never done before. That's very important. You're doing the same thing, whatever you're doing regularly, you will get the same result. But we do something which we have done something different, we can get the different result. And final thing which I follow in my personal and professional life, I would like to share. In any meeting, I will close with this quote only. If you salute your duty, you need not salute anybody. If you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. So salute your work, give your best, be the best version of yourself. Thank you.